Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. We have for you an unboxing of the NV125 prop shaft or the drive shaft. This is for your BMW X5, the early ones 98 to 2002, some 2003. If you're not sure which one you have, if for 2002 and 2003, it could be an NV125, an LWX 500, or an ATC 500. There's going to be a round tag with some engravings on the back side of the rear transfer case, on the side that faces the rear wheels. That will give you more information on which one you have. I'm going to leave a link in the comments below to our blog, which gives you more information how to identify the correct one. So for the drive shaft, here's an unboxing of what's inside the box. We are the first to bring to market an extended drive shaft with all of the components installed. That means that our extended drive shaft is going to have the universal joint. It's going to have the centering flange right there and the protector right in the front. Once again, ours is an inch longer, so it'll go in a lot deeper into the front output shaft of the transfer case. I also sell a brand new coupler. Let me go grab one of those, hold on. And here is the NV125 front output shaft. This goes inside the transfer case. So the output shaft is also your sprocket. So it's one piece. And this will be inside your transfer case. And then your shaft will connect here, and then this protector goes over here, and it is protect this assembly over here. But since ours is an inch longer on the splined area, it's going to go in an inch deeper than the original one. So what happens is that the original one tends to strip right here at the end. So this will go in deeper and use some of the spline, use the spline that hasn't been damaged by the original shaft. But once again, this shaft comes basically ready to install. Take yours out, install this one, and you should be ready to go. It comes with the centering flange, it comes with the universal joint, it comes with the protective sleeve, and pretty much ready to install. I'm going to leave links to this shaft. I'm going to leave links to this output shaft in the description below, and a link to the blog posting. If you have any questions, please leave us in the comment below. You could always reach us via chat, via phone and email. So let us know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Please give us a big thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.